Hello, welcome to Monday morning and another session of Cook Along with Chemo Snacks Live. I'm Alyx Stewart, I'm a cancer survivor and I create wholesome recipes to keep you nourished, not nauseous. Now, I don't know what part of the world you're in, but where I am, the sun is out, we're coming into summer and it's just glorious outside. Makes me happy. I've been outside already, I'll tell you about that in a bit because it's funny. Today, the recipe I'm making, so Mondays I like to set you up with a snack for the week. I'm actually going to be making a recipe from Jelly is Not Food. And even though it's called Jelly is Not Food, we're going to be making jelly lollies. And it's this recipe here. See the pretty picture there? And it comes from that cookbook there. I'm getting, might be reflecting a bit, sorry about that. Okay, so what I'm making today, one of the recipes in there, there's so many different variations of jelly lollies you can make and different flavours to suit whatever side effects somebody might be going through. Today I'm making turmeric and orange. So I have a cold pressed orange juice and I have a little bottle of this. It's called Ginger Shot, but it's actually wild turmeric and it's by the Ginger People. So it comes in a little bottle like that. It's about 60 mils. And the other version you can make of this from the same people, the Ginger People, is I have organic ginger juice as well. So you can use that. As long as you make up half a cup of liquid, you can have whatever you like in there. You can have, oh look, beetroot juice goes really well in there. And you can sweeten it too. I don't use refined sugar or any other sugar in this. I tend to use stevia drops. So what we need to do is take our little turmeric shot here. That's going to go into my half cup measure. It's really bright. You might notice I'm not wearing anything that's white today. If you ever get turmeric on your clothes, it's really hard to get out, like really hard. Now, I've also got my little thing of orange juice. So we're going to make up half a cup. If you find these are too strong for you, these little shots, use a lot less, make them up to taste. And that just goes into a saucepan and turmeric over that too. Now, trying out my new induction cooker here. It makes a lot of beeping, is what I've been told. Turn that down. Okay. Oh, I am plugged in, good I? So I've got half a cup of juice in there or any liquid that you like. So you can even use pureed fruits for these as well to make a fruit jelly, and that's really, really yummy. Once you start to see steam come off the top of that, I'm going to be sprinkling on top 1.5 tablespoons of gelatin. I haven't used a gelatin leaf with this before, not sure that will work, it probably would, but this is just the quickest method and it literally takes about 5 minutes. I can feel this heating up already, just give it a bit more of a zhuzh there. If you like things a bit sweeter, once you've put in the gelatin into here and it's all dissolved, 6 drops of stevia would do it. That will make it fairly sweet. Now, what am I seeing here? So, starting to see steam, I don't know if you can see it, but there's steam just starting to come off the top here. I turn that down a notch. Admittedly, I've not used this kind of light before. This is my first time using it, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. May as well leave it for a live to try something out. Okay, so there's steam and it's feeling quite warm to the hand. I'm just going to sprinkle this. I've got my little whisk at the ready. Sprinkle over the top, and there's no need to be too vigorous about it. Just basically stir it. Turn that down again, it's probably getting a bit too hot. And there's plenty of steam coming off the top. You don't want to boil it. And you'll know when the gelatin's dissolved because whenever the liquid mixture comes up the side of the saucepan, it sort of looks a bit grainy. And once this is all dissolved, you won't see that. It'll just be a smooth liquid. And the other thing that tells you it's just about ready is it becomes really slippery on the bottom of the saucepan. This is actually almost there. And the liquid tends to become a little bit clearer as well. Now I'm not vigorously whisking this, there's no need to. It just, the lumps dissolve if you have lumps. There we go, almost. I like to pick it up and have a look. And if you just move it off the bottom of the pan, you can see if there's any grain still there. As I say, this is really quick. All you need to do after this is to pour it into some moulds. Look, chocolate moulds will be fine. Ice cube moulds, just as good. I like to use the silicone ones because you can pop them out easily. And I've done some up that I did earlier this morning. They only take about 20 minutes to set. So nice and quick, and you set up with some yummy lollies for the week. And these are really good for nausea because you can make them with ginger and other flavours. They're great if someone has a sore mouth because they're just not catchy on the mouth at all. Just pop them in the mouth and dissolve them. There we go. That's changed colour. So that's less white now, and I'm not seeing, it's not looking grainy at all. So we'll turn that off, move that aside there a bit. What I'm going to do is pour this into a jug. It's just easier to do it from a jug. And because I don't like waste, I've got my little pink spatula. There we go. Okay, that can go over there as well. Now, I'm going to make up some unicorns because, you know, why not? It's unicorns. And I got these moulds from Kmart. I think they're about $1.50 each. A little trick though, pop your mould on a tray first because it's all wobbly and liquidy and I've had them spill before. It's just much easier. I think just all you need to do with this is just pour them in. Really, really quick and simple. So this will make up, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Oops, nearly overfilled that one. Be a nice big unicorn. The unicorns have 8 in there, and this will make up a few more. Oh. Unless I pour it all over the place. There we go, that's ready for the fridge, that one. And look, you can get these, I just got these off eBay. These are a little jelly bear moulds, and they're really cute as well. And the other one I'm making up is, I've got some Santa faces. Sorry, is it too early for Christmas? It's never too early in this household. Quickly finish these off and I'll show you the ones that I made earlier. So that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and a half. 12 and a half decent sized lollies. Jelly lollies. Now you don't have to make them that big either. Some of the ones I made this morning were just in one of these. This is a little chocolate mould, and you might be able to see they literally just pop straight out. These are the others I made this morning. Pop straight out, and this is the unicorns from this morning as well. And as you can see, they're really, when you've got the silicone moulds, they're really quick and simple to pop out. Like that. There we go. It's a bit of a replacement if you've seen these people who have nausea often use these gin-gins. These are just the same thing. Nice soft lolly. Store them in the fridge. They take 20 minutes to set. Store them in the fridge. I was going to quickly tell you about going out this morning. I was such a bowerbird. I'm starting to do barbecues outside. Going to show you what you can do with your Barbie. So we have a hard rubbish collection out in my neighbourhood. I went out collecting some things for that. So it'll look really cool. I have a nice picnic table out there. Okay, that's it. Jelly lollies. Hope you enjoy those. Let me know what flavours you make and what colours they are, and I'll post your pictures as well. Okay, I will see you on Thursday. Bye for now.